Hey guys, what's up? It's Kimberly right here, and I'm going to be showing you a little bit about Sun City Festival and Festival Foothills today in Buckeye, Arizona. We're actually way out west, literally kind of in the middle of nowhere, so if you don't like being in the middle of nowhere, this video may not be for you. But this is going to be 5 things to know about Sun City Festival, which is another 55 plus community here in the West Valley here in Arizona. We have Sun City, we have Pebble Creek, we have Sun City Grand, Sun City West. What else is there? Oh goodness. We have Victory and Verrado. We also have the Estrella Mountain Ranch Cantamilla community. So this is just another one of the many 80 plus communities, 55 plus active adult lifestyle communities here in the state of Arizona. But before we get into this, go ahead and click that little subscribe button below. Click that little notification bell so you can get a notification every single time I upload a new video. And if you are brand new to this channel, I am an Arizona licensed realtor here in the state of Arizona, helping people move here every single day from all over the US. So if you have questions, if you're wondering what area is best for you, if this area isn't the best for you, no worries. There's so many other extraordinary places here in the Valley of the Sun, so you can always give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I am here and available to out here in Arizona. Like, look at this. This is So Sun City Festival is actually another surprise community out here. It is technically located in Buckeye. If you guys didn't know this about Buckeye, Buckeye is a little over that 385 square miles. The city of Phoenix is only 516 square miles. So between these two cities, these are the two largest cities that you're going to find here in the valley in Maricopa County. It's insane. So Buckeye has still a lot of room to grow. So if you're looking for your home to appreciate over the next few years, guess what? Sun City Festival is the place to be. And every single one of these homes out here in Festival Foothills, Sun City Festival, they're all very, very new. Now, we are about 10 miles west from Surprise, downside about Sun City Festival and Festival Foothills out here, and I'll get into the two different ones soon. So the downside about this is we're about 10 miles from the city, so it's a long drive, a lot of just wilderness. You know, we're right on the back side of the White Tank Mountains, where most of the valley sees the front side of the White Tank Mountains, or the south side of the White Tank Mountains, but here you see the back side. Literally, it's all over here. It's insane. It's crazy. So we're brand new out here. We're still growing a lot, and there's so much growth to come, you guys. Buckeye is going to be insane over the next 10, 15, 20 years. So if you're looking for a home to appreciate, if you want to grow with the city, this is the place to be. At least one of the places to be. Now, we have over 80 plus 55 adult communities in the state of Arizona alone, and over 200 golf courses across Phoenix. I mean, you can't deny that Phoenix, Arizona, or the valley as a whole, is a wonderful place to retire. With all these recreational facilities, community pools, clubs, all of these great active lifestyle communities, it's one of the best, and that's why Del Webb decided to create their very first 55 plus community, Sun City, in the nation back in 1960. We've just kind of grown ever since. First thing about Sun City Festival, we started building out here around 2006. Now, one of the great things about this, like I said before, is you have the White Tank Mountains as your backdrop. You have incredible views of mountains all around. It is spectacular. There's a ton of hiking trails, a lot of biking trails. If you're moving to Arizona, you're probably already an outdoorsy person, and this is just going to be a wonderful place to be more outdoorsy. Plus, you're not too far from Lake Pleasant either. Lake Pleasant's only about 25 to 35 minutes away, depending on what part of Sun City Festival and Festival Foothills that you are in. Now, the White Tank Regional Mountain Park is actually the largest park in Maricopa County, and Maricopa County is actually the largest county in the city of Arizona. So that was number one. Number two, you're only a few miles from Surprise, so if you want to be close to that city, kind of like Tartesso or Verrado and Buckeye, right? But we're actually a little bit further than Verrado. If you've seen that video, you guys will kind of see. But if you can look on the map here, we're about 10 miles away from Surprise, like I said, right? So this is number two, is one thing that a lot of people find a pro and a lot of people find a con. So we are out here in the boonies, I would say. We're kind of in the middle of the desert right now. Now, you do have a lot of grocery stores. You have Targets, Kohl's, Safeways, Fry's, Walmarts, all kinds of stores, salons, medical facilities, things like that, only 10 miles away. So you're not too far from, civilization at all. You're not like literally in the middle of nowhere. It's literally like a 15-minute drive east, and you'll be able to get there. And then downtown Surprise is only about 25 minutes. If you're wondering where Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport is, that's going to be about 55 minutes to I say 55 minutes, you guys, but it's going to be over an hour probably to be able to get to Sky Harbor Airport. Now, that is in downtown Phoenix, close to Tempe. So to be able to get to Phoenix is probably going to be about that 50 minutes to an hour as well. So that's something to think about. If you need to be hopping on a plane every month, you're going to be looking at a long drive there and back. Now, number three is, like I said, super secluded. I feel like I keep repeating myself, but we are super secluded out here. But you also have so much growth. You have so much growth to come, and guys, I can't express that enough. Like, I can't really I don't want to downplay this, because you have a ton of growth to come out here. This is all new. You are literally in one of the newest subdivisions in the state of Arizona, and you're so secluded out here, which means, guess what? A ton of commercial properties are going to come in the future. Hopefully more resorts are going to come. Hopefully there's going to be more entertainment districts to come out here in the Buckeye area as well. So that's something that we are looking forward to, that a lot of the residents are looking forward to as well. So it's going to be a lot of growth, and a lot of us are really excited about it, because guess what? A lot of growth means our appreciation is going to go up as well. There's also plenty of ways to stay active out here in this 55+ community, okay? We have rec centers, we have community pools, we obviously have golf courses, and there's a ton of little parks all over the community, and they're very, very well kept. There's actually a dog park right around the corner over here. There's a lot of, smaller parks as well if you guys want to bring the grandkids and hang out and bring them over. It's a wonderful family, and it can be a multi-generational community. So like I said, I was going to go back into explain what the difference is between Sun City Festival and Festival Foothills, so stay tuned. Now, as far as Sun City Festival goes, there's over 7,200 single-family homes out here, and they are smaller homes. They're not these huge, ginormous homes that you guys are looking for, in Scottsdale or Gilbert or, Cantamia. They are, just regular single-family homes, just for anyone. So they're wonderful. They're a wonderful taste of the valley out here, and they're just beautiful, beautiful community out here in the Sun City Festival area. Now, number 5, I told you guys I was going to get into this, okay? So if you pull up into the Sun City Festival area, you're going to see that there's 2 neighborhoods on each side, okay? There is Sun City Festival, and then there is Festival Foothills. Sun City Festival is on the left side, and Festival Foothills is on the right side. So here's the difference, okay? So Festival Foothills is actually not a 55+ community, okay? So this is where multi-generational family living comes into play. All right, so you're gonna have a school there, you have the school there, you have parks, you have great family friendly feel. Everyone is very, very friendly out here. And then on the other side of the road, you have that 55+ community living. So if you are a grandparent and you want to move out here, and your kids want to move out here and they want to be closer to you, you have a school here, you have Surprise isn't too far away, so you have all the shopping over there. It is a fantastic place to come and be so close to the family. That way you guys aren't so far away from each other. It is a great, well-designed, well-planned, multifunctional community out here. So we have Sun City Festival and Festival Foothills, and a lot of people that I know that are looking to retire are wanting to just kind of stay away from the kids, right? You can totally do that over here in Sun City Festival. It is totally doable, 100%. Now, if you were to ask me, Kim, what is the best area? We want to live a younger lifestyle. We want to have, a lot of new things around us. We want to be able to explore the outdoors and, not run into a bunch of golf carts all the time and yada, 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 right? I would say Sun City Festival is actually one of your absolute best places to choose over all the other Sun Cities. By Sun Cities, I mean Sun City West, and Sun City Grand. Sun City Festival is actually, it's going to be amazing for you. So definitely check it out. If you have questions, you can always give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'm here to help serve and support you at the highest possible level. So as far as things to do, we obviously have a ton of hiking around here, right? We have the White Tank Regional Park right here. Now, as far as other things to do in the rec centers, we have a huge resort-style heated pool on top of a 25-person hot tub. We also have a fitness center, a group fitness center, on top of the brand new Saguaro Center. We have so much to do. We have a pool, workout center, indoor pool, walking tracks, and a ballroom, and on top of that, golfing. Obviously, there has to be golfing out here in Sun City Festival. Now, the Copper Canyon Golf Club out here is an 18-hole championship golf course. It is extraordinary. Now, as far as the homes out here in Sun City Festival, there is an HOA, obviously. So the HOA is about that $145 a month. And then the price point out here for Sun City Festival, keep in mind we are in the city of Surprise, so we're looking at that high 400s, you know, up into that 5, low 600 price range out here, depending on where you go in the Sun City Festival area, as well as Festival Foothills. So if you guys have questions, you can always give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I am here to help serve and support you at the highest possible level. Thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way through. I really appreciate you guys. And if you need anything, if you have questions about the area, questions about, you know, what's to come, or what other communities are out here for you and the family, you can always, like I said, give me a call. Thank you guys. Take care.